Look, we got this race right here. They're about to take off. This is gonna be sick. Dope. We got all the boats getting ready in the starting lineup. And the buoy's just right there. I mean, like, super close. This is gonna be a fun start. I think they're racing from Catalina Island back to the mainland. Hell yes, I love sailboat racing. We're on a big sailboat. Look how tall this mast is. This is a huge catamaran. I'm excited. It looks like they're getting ready, getting sped up. Wow, that trimaran is fast.